Scholars and officials from China and Tanzania pledged to promote South-South cooperation Wednesday at a seminar in Tanzania's Darasalam. Chinese ambassador to Tanzania Chen Mingjian said China will deepen cooperation with Tanzania and other African countries in sectors such as politics, economy, culture, education, and science and technology.
China has been working hand in hand with other developing countries to jointly address global challenges through South-South cooperation.
Chairman of the Board of Trustees of the Mwalimu Nyerere Foundation, Joseph Butiko, said the event is a clear manifestation of fruitful cooperation between Africa and China.
This event is a clear manifestation of friendship, solidarity, and common development in industrialization, leveraging lessons learned from the history of industrial transformation of nations for the object of Sino-African cooperation.